Hi, this is Subbareddy and I am going to explain how to set up Java 8 path in Windows 10. We'll see how to set up the path. In search box, just type this PC, which is renamed from my computer. Just right click on this PC and choose this properties option. You will see this page. We will have another option to open this page as well. We'll see that as also. Come to the desktop. In the desktop there is icon this PC. Just right click on this and choose properties option. Either any one of the way is fine, and from here we have to choose advanced system settings option. Here is the advanced system settings option. In this we have to choose environment variables. To open this, click on this environment variables button. These are the environment variables, and here are two different type of variables are there. One is user variables, which will be applicable for this specific user, and as well as system level variables. The system level variables will be available to the entire system. I mean, one system can contain more than one user as well. If you have declared any of the variable in system level, it will be applicable for all the users. If you have declared any of the variables in user level, these variables will be applicable for that specific user only. So now we'll see how to set up Java 8 path in this. Open the directory where you have installed Java in your computer. I have installed in program files Java. Once you have installed Java 8, it will be stored as two different directories. One is for JDK and one is for JRE. JDK will use for development purpose. All the classes will be available in this, and JRE is for execution purpose. We'll set up JDK and click on open the bin directory, and here you can see the list of execution files. See, here is Java execution, which is the command we'll use for Java program execution, and copy this path and come to the environment variables, and in system level variables there is an option called path. See here, just click on this and edit this. Come to the end and paste this path and declare the semicolon to separate for future if you need to add any of the specific other paths, and say OK. Now we have also need to set up JRE for runtime environment purpose. Just come to the JRE directory and choose bin directory. Here you can see some another DDL files and plugins which are related to the Java, and copy this path and come to the environment variables. But this path you should not set up in system level variables, just you have to choose user level variables, and here also you have to create a new variable with the name of class path. Here how to create a variable is by clicking on this new button. We will create a variable. Just declare variable name as class path, class underscore path, otherwise just class path is fine, and paste this path, say OK, and come to this and click on OK. Here also you have to say OK. Now the path setup has been completed, but we don't know whether we have done proper path setup or not. Just for that confirmation purpose, Open the command prompt by clicking Ctrl Windows R and just type cmd and say OK. Here is the command prompt. Just type Java and click on enter to execute this. We will see this list. If we are able to see this list in your command prompt, you have done the Java path proper setup. For execution it will fine, but there is Java compiler. For that we will use Java C command. Just type Java C and click enter to see the list of properties. If you are able to see this list, you have done proper path setup. Otherwise, if you have done anything wrong while setting the Java path, you will get the error message or some message in the command prompt like Java or Java C is not an internal or external command. If you are able to see that message in your command prompt while executing either Java or Java C command, you have not done proper path setup. So you have to verify in your environment variables where you have done mistake. So this is how we have to set up Java 8 path in Windows 10. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe with this channel, and thanks for watching.